it's Miss Jackie, and I'm here to teach you your music lesson this week. Now, last week we learned how to draw treble clefs. Those are those funny little musical symbols that are at the beginning of the staff. And those staff are those 5 lines that we drew where we were going to write our notes on, okay? And remember, some of them were drawn on the lines and some of them were drawn in the spaces between the lines. Well, this week, guess what you're gonna get to learn? You're gonna get to learn the music note name of the line and the space. Now let's take a look. Miss Jackie drew this on her driveway, which is something that you could do as well. Now, if you'll notice, this one at the top says the lines. We are only working with the notes on the lines. The very bottom line is the letter E. Anytime you draw a circle on the bottom line, that is the E line. Now, the second line from the bottom is the G line. So anytime you draw a circle on that second line, it is a letter G. Now, the third one up, or the middle line, is the letter B line. So anytime you're drawing a circle on that middle line, it's the B. The next line up, the fourth one from the bottom, is the D line. And then the top line is the F. All right, so one of the phrases that we were taught in school to remember your notes on your lines is every good boy does fine. It helps you to remember the beginning sound of the words, like every, is an E. Good, g is the G. Boy, b is the B. Does, d is the D. And fine, is the F line. So it kind of shows you the order from the bottom line to the top line in what notes go where. Now let's come over here. I've got your space notes. Now you'll notice these are not on the lines. These over here, you can see that circle is around the line. Over here, the circles are in between the lines, in the spaces. Now, do you know how to spell face? F-A-C-E. You can remember your spaces. I always tell my kids to remember space equals face. Now, if I was going to draw these, remember they do not go on the lines. These go in the middle of the lines, in those spaces in between. So, the bottom space is your F space. The second space from the bottom is your A. The third space from the bottom is the C, and your top space is your E. Now, what I would like for you guys to do, Miss Jackie over here wrote some words that you can spell on your staff. Now, I've got my daughter out here helping me. Elizabeth, can you grab me a piece of chalk, please?
Any color?
Any color, just grab whatever, quickly. Thank you. All right, can you hold this for me?
Yeah.
And Miss Jackie's going to pick a word from this list. Let's see. First word at the top is egg. Now, I'm going to go down this list and I'm going to show you what words are here. We've got egg, face, dead, dad, ace, bad, bed, bag, beg, gag, and bead. These are all words that you can use to spell on your lines and your spaces. Now, I'm going to draw my 5 lines and my treble clef. You always have to draw that on there, which clef you're working on. And the word that I'm going to draw is the word egg. Now, let's take a look. Do you see the E here? Yeah, it's the bottom letter. It's that bottom line, isn't it? So, my E in egg goes on that bottom line. Now, my G's. Let's see. There's 2 of them in the word egg. And they go on the second line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count up. 1, 2. That's the G line. And I'm going to draw 2 of them. And I spelled the word egg. Now, you're going to need your mom and dad's help to play this little game. Now, I would like you to pick at least one or two of the words that are over here. I'll go back over your list. To spell on your treble clef staff. I'm going to go over one more time your lines. E, G, B, D, F. And you'll put those letters in the same places that you're putting them here. And then your spaces. Space equals space. F, A, C, E. And I can't wait to see some of the things that you guys do. Have fun!